All in one India channel. Today we make aloo tikki chaat in easy method with home ingredients in lockdown. Now we can take one bowl of tomato, one bowl of onion, 3/4 chili which cut it into small pieces, 5-6 tomato which cut it into small pieces, 1 1/2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 tablespoon black salt. We can put kadhai, then we put 2-3 spoon oil into kadhai. You also use pan. We can put mass potato mass which can dislike. We oil become hot, then we put ginger garlic paste. It turns into some brown ginger garlic paste. Then we put green chili, and we put it into onion cut pieces, and 3 to 5 minutes fry it well to brown color. We can put tomato into it, then we fry it well. We can put 1 tablespoon salt into it with taste. We can mix it with salt. Then we can put vinegar into it and mix it slightly. 2 to 3 5 we can slightly mix it well. Then we covered with some plate or which we can covered. We can mix it well. After 2 minutes we can check it. Wow, what's a color, very nice. After 2 to 3 minutes we can put haldi powder, red chili powder, dhania powder, garam masala, black salt, half tablespoon salt, and it mix it well. Fry it well and covered the kadhai, which we can add some water to mix it well. And covered it. We can check it will be make it well or not. It is very mixed it well. Now we can mash aloo into it, and they can mix it very carefully. Potato will be mixed it well. Now we add some water. After 5 minutes, we mix it well. After 5 minutes, we can more add water, which we can use see. Wow, what's a nice color. Add more water into it. And mix it well. You can add salt with taste. Covered the kadhai and they can mix it well nicely. Now we put into a chaat masala. Added chaat masala into this chaat and it mix it well. Added khatta mitha pani from which made from imli and mix it well. And cover it. When chaat is prepared, now we can make tikki. We start make tikki. Some ingredients are black salt, chaat masala, salt, haldi powder, chilli powder, garam masala, pyaj, aloo with mixed. Now we can start it. We can mix it well. There are no any lumps. We can mix perfectly because we make aloo tikki. You can see our chaat is ready. My gas is off. You can see this very nice color. We can make tikki, which it's like tikki. Very carefully. All tikkis are ready very nicely. Then we can fried with pan. We can check the pan is already heated. We can put 1 tablespoon oil and now we can put it tikki to fry. We can also put it some oil and it will fry. Now we can also put it oil. It fry it well to 1-2 minutes. You can make into low flame, not in high flame. It fry it well. Now we turn to check. It fry correctly, golden brown. Now we can fry second side. Turn into all. Then we put some oil into it, corner, which can correctly fry it well. Now my tikki is very fry it well. Now we can put it into plate. They looks very beautiful. Now we can put it into plate to serve it. Now we can decorate aloo tikki chaat. We can use tikki, papdi, sev, imli khatti, धनिया चटनी, इमली मीठी चटनी, बारीक कटी प्याज, छोटे टुकड़े में कटी हुई मिर्चा, चाट मसाला, काली नमक इसकी, और साथ में हमारा बना हुआ आलू चाट। सो इसकी मदद से हम तैयार करेंगे आलू टिक्की चाट। वी विल टेक आलू टिक्की। नाउ वी पुट आलू चाट into it. We can put it into green chilli. We can put added onion, added green chilli. We will mix this ingredient. Curd is very essential to make taste clear. To decorate our chaat, we add imli meethi chutney with your taste. We add khatti imli. We add papdi. It is optional for you. We added sev, which can decorate very fantastic. We also added some onion to complete our ingredient. We can add chaat masala or black salt to complete it. So we can you see, wow, what a nice aloo tikki chaat. In lockdown some ingredients are missed, so thank you for this recipe.